Okay, backyard farming here. I told you on my last video about my compost bin. I started 3 years ago and everything decomposed down. Now I wasn't sure if I was supposed to keep it like it is or add to it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just leave that, use that, and I'm gonna come over here and use this old kitty bucket and start a new compost. So I took a little bit of that soil from that's in my box over there. I put that on the bottom. Then I added eggshells and this eggshell carton, and I got an apple, a couple cigar butts in there. So I'm starting a new compost bucket. It's kind of small, but for now, um, that's what I'm going to do. Use that to start a new one, and then be 3 years when this probably all gone. Then I'll use that, and then another bucket I'm going to get with that. So I'll keep the rotation going. Good soil. That way I won't have to keep going to the store because soil is expensive. That's why I'm going through cleaning up this soil now. Going through it because it's buying soil is really expensive, especially for containers. Because to fill it up, probably need about a bag and a half. I can't remember, but yep. So that's what this is about with the compost. I'll get another bucket, one or either one or two more to start it. 2025. Start a new compost pile. Yep. All right, backyard farming here. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please comment, like this video, share this video, and we're gonna do this journey together. Thank you.